Social Science, Class 3rd. Good morning, student. Let's begin with Chapter 11, Our Neighborhood, Part 2. From Max Learn Environmental Awareness Book, Class 3rd. Before we begin with Part 2, let's recapitulate of the work done in Part 1. We studied about meaning of neighborhood. Along with it, we studied few examples of neighborhood services like market, cinema hall, post office, fire station, etc. All these are neighborhood services which makes our life easy. Now let's begin with part 2 by guessing the picture. What picture you can see over here? You can see the doctor along with the nurse and an injection and a picture of a hospital. So our first neighborhood service is hospital. It is a place where a person goes to be healed when he or she is sick or injured. Doctors provide you medicines and the nurses look after the patients. Next is, you can see a picture of a letter. Along with it, the Indian Post building and the counters inside the post office. So, our next neighborhood service is post office. It is a very useful service for the public. We can purchase inland letters and stamps from the post office. Next is, you can see a picture of an Indian bank. And then on the left hand side, you can see lockers. So, our next neighborhood service is bank. Bank is one of the most important neighborhood service. People keep their money in the bank. Along with their money, they can also keep their precious things like gold, silver, or any important documents in the bank. Banks also provide loan to the needy people. Next is a policeman and his car. And you can see a picture of handcuffs. So we are talking about here is police station. It is the office for policemen. They keep an eye on the people who break rules and punishes them. Next, you can see a red color big truck along with the hose, pipe and all the equipments. So, here we are talking about fire station. The firemen are on duty for 24/7 there. If fire breaks out anywhere, the fireman reaches there and extinguishes the fire. Next is, you can see our children enjoying in the market. You can see so many fruits, fresh vegetables all around. Along with it, you have garment shops also in the market. So, market is also one of the most valuable neighborhood service. Many shops together form a market. Nowadays, we have big malls which have been opened around us and you can find everything under one roof. Let's quickly recap. Think and tell. Where do you post your letters? We post our letters in post office. B. Where do you go to withdraw the money? We go to withdraw the money from the bank. Do you know, students, nowadays we have ATM facilities also, which helps us to withdraw the money anytime we want. Thank you.